How to turn safe search on or off on Android phone or tablet. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and simply make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Select on settings, then scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now scroll down and here you'll be able to see the option of safe browsing. So make sure that you have toggled on, and next is to tap on use secure DNS. Select on use your current service provider. After that you can simply go back and then launch the settings application on your device. And as you launch the settings application, scroll down to connection and sharing. Scroll down and tap on private DNS over here and simply select on auto. Then tap on save. And now you have turned safe search on over here on Android phone, and if you want to just toggle it off, you can select a private or your preferred DNS over here that you can provide the host name for. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.